In this video, we'll look at an Edge AI appliance that allows you to deploy frictionless transactions for applications across multiple market segments, including smart retail, surveillance, traffic monitoring, crowd monitoring, and many others. While the data center and telco access layers provide high amounts of compute capability, they also yield the highest latencies. Only at the very edge does AI computing provide the greatest benefits for real-time applications. It is here where every millisecond is critical, and power efficiency is a must. Let's look at some prominent examples that benefit from edge computing. Checkout-free shopping is a fast-growing option in brick-and-mortar retail stores. AI-driven edge technology enables retailers to quickly deploy frictionless shopping experiences in existing and new locations. While latency is important here, edge computing can also deliver the lowest total cost of ownership. Using real-time object recognition, AI-enabled systems must quickly make proactive decisions about roadways to help manage traffic flow for efficient traffic management, congestion reduction, and improved resource management. Edge AI can play a role in many applications related to security and person authentication, including building and door access control and camera-based intrusion detection. Other smart city applications include crowd monitoring and surveillance for behavior and threat detection systems, and proximity and physical distancing solutions. These applications have one thing in common. They benefit from low latency, low power, and low-cost AI processing. The traditional approach for edge vision systems has included the use of edge servers packed with high-cost, high-power GPUs. When designing an extremely competitive Edge AI appliance, a primary goal is optimal cost per video stream, and as this system implementation shows, it must process multiple video streams in parallel with low latency. The host SoC must have sufficient compute capability to decode all input video streams and perform the pre- and post-processing functions. AI accelerators handle the inferencing and can process multiple models per frame, as is typically required for real-world applications. When we plug one or more Kinara R01s into the Edge AI appliance, we can perform inferencing on multiple video streams, with multiple models running per video frame. The system can even do automatic load balancing to ensure that all R01s are running efficiently. To build the complete system, we use AMD's Kria K26 system on module. This SoC has multi-channel video stream support, an image signal processor, quad-core ARM Cortex-A53s, and hardware accelerators for pre- and post-processing functions. The complete Edge AI appliance can process 4 to 16 H.264 encoded video streams at 1080p input resolutions, and delivers this at extremely low latency and low total cost of ownership. Kinara makes AI inferencing possible with the R01. Our high-performance, low-cost, energy-efficient Edge AI processor can be integrated into cameras and edge appliances. The foundation of a seamless checkout-free shopping experience is a set of sophisticated compute-intensive AI models that map a customer's journey through the store and answers the question, who picked up what? The product classification model identifies the product that's been picked up. The pose estimation model determines if the person picked up a product from the shelf or put it back. The person identification model identifies the person walking into the store, while the person tracking model tracks the person as they move from one camera zone to the next. Behind the curtain of these strong performance, power, and price benefits is Kinara's polymorphic data flow architecture, delivering flexibility and optimized support for current and future neural network models with no limit on operator type, model complexity, or model size. Kinara's architecture also supports end-to-end neural network execution and zero-latency multi-model execution. Whether you're interested in our turnkey Edge AI appliance or a do-it-yourself approach, Kinara provides chips and modules for all of your system-level solutions. Kinara provides a comprehensive suite of development tools that allow our customers to seamlessly convert their AI models into highly optimized computation flows ready to be deployed on Kinara's AI processors. Our tools support hundreds of neural network models. Kinara would like to acknowledge both AMD and VVDN technologies, our partners in designing and building this Edge AI appliance. Contact Kinara to learn more about this Edge AI appliance and our other technologies.